This is where it gets much different from the web-based GIS. So I can turn features on and off. I can open up the attribute tables. That much is very much like ArcGIS, but I can also remove those features. I can change the layer of features so that they show up different in the table of contents. So right now the ocean layer is underneath the river layer, but if I move the ocean layer above the river layer, you're not going to be able to see it unless I turn the layer off. The other thing you can do with this that you can't do with WebGIS is you can actually change the symbology. So the river layer is totally ugly, and so I'm going to right click that layer and open up the river's properties, click on symbology, and I'm going to change the color of that line to a nice blue and the size of that line to a 1, and that makes a much nicer looking river. I'm also going to change this layer that's called ocean. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to change it the same way, symbology. I can pick an ocean color here, but maybe I decide that that's too dark. Another way to change that is just to click the color swatch, and I can pick the color of the oceans that way. I can zoom in on the United States and Canada, and I can put the rivers layer above those so that I can actually see them. I can change the name Wind Rivers to just rivers. I click this layer and then I'm able to type in the box. And that's important when I go to add a legend. Then I have legend titles that actually make sense.